Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you a programming language, or I'll be sharing more information about this programming language called as HTML. Now, what does HTML stands for? It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Now, before going into what actually it does, or how we can write a code and how we can make use of this programming language, let's go into more detail and let's see what we can use it for. Now, HTML is basically used for web page development. Basically we write a code in HTML and we can use it to create website by merging it with other programming languages such as CSS, JavaScript for the front-end purposes, and for the back-end purposes you can use many languages such as PHP, SQL, MongoDB. There are many languages which I'll be sharing more detail about in the future videos. So this is the first application. We can also use HTML to create our resumes and other creative or attractive documents which we want to present in front of others. We use HTML for the creation of responsive images or responsive sentences or words. What does this mean is, if we click on certain image where we have the link generated, or we have written a code so that if someone clicks on that image or on that word or on that sentence, he or she can be redirected to the other website for more details. I'll be showing you this in further videos. Other applications are like, we can use it for game development, we can use it for data entry support, we can use it for client-side storage, and we can use it for internet navigation. I'll be showing you everything in detail, so let's not waste time, and first let me show you the syntax in which we write the HTML code. So this is the basic syntax, how we write the HTML code. This is the header where all the information regarding the title and the heading of the page goes, and this is the body where we write the page orientation for the websites, like the tabular formation, like the forms, like paragraphs, sentences, images, links, everything goes into the body. I will be showing you that as well. We can also use many modifications in that paragraphs or something, so that we can make some changes in how it looks. So let me just save this file and show you how does it work. The most important thing is that we need to save it with the extension.html, or else it will not work at all. This is because we need the system to identify that this is the basic. Now, as you can see, we get the complete code marked in blue. So let me just remove this and save it again and run this page so that you can understand what I'm talking about. As you can see, whatever was written in the body tag is displayed in form of a website, and the heading goes over here. We can make changes accordingly as we make the change in the heading. Now let me just show you what can be achieved using the HTML language. I have written a code to be more specific. So this is the code that I have written, which will show you basically what we can do using HTML language. So let me just launch this page. What I have done is I have created a tabular format for the Pokemons, some of the Pokemons that I love. So this is the image. I have not assigned any link to the image, so we will not be able to redirect anywhere, but I have assigned a link to this name for the evolution, and as you can see, we are getting redirected to the page for which I have added the link. I have actually added the link for the fandom page of the Pokemon. to show you in more detail what it actually does. If I click on this, I'll be redirected to the page that gives more information about this specific Pokemon, as you can see over here. Let me show you one last thing we can achieve by using this. So this is the clone website that I had created when I was learning about HTML. So let me just show you. So this is what we can achieve from the HTML code. I have not only used the HTML, but I have also used basic CSS to create this page. And as you can see, these are the hyperlinks that I have added, but I know that it does not go anywhere. It will redirect us to the same page, as I have added the same link on my code. How it can be achieved: we have written a code along with CSS, we have merged it with the language called as CSS. This is where the file is stored for CSS, and this is the CSS file which I have written over here to make the modifications in the HTML page. So this is the complete package about HTML code. From next video I will be showing you how we can write the codes and how we can go on achieving all these pages. So stay tuned for the next video, and please show some support for this page so that I am more inspired to give you different topics such as Python, SQL, and many more programming languages that I am familiar with. So thank you so much. If you like this video, please click on the like button, and if you have any suggestions for me on how I can improve on my talking skills or on my presenting skills, please comment down below so that we can get a good content from my further videos. Thank you so much, friends, and thank you for listening to me and dedicating your time for this video. Hopefully I can do well from other videos, taking your suggestions in. Thank you.